2010, the ash from the Eyjafjallajökull volcano in Iceland ground air traffic to a halt, and in an unprecedented way. Could this happen again? How would we spot the signs? Join Dave McGarvey, Fabrizio Ferrucci and me, Hazel Reimer, at the Open Minds talk to find out how we are monitoring volcanoes from on the ground to outer space.
Got a minute? I'm Pete Skirbont, Defense Commissary Agency historian, with a minute of history. In June 1991, the impending eruption of long-dormant volcano Mount Pinatubo in the Philippine Islands forced the evacuation of Clark Air Base to the Navy base at Subic Bay. 2 days later, the mountain erupted and covered Clark with volcanic ash. The eruption continued while Typhoon Yunya arrived, blowing the ash toward Subic Bay and the Navy base at San Miguel. The wet, heavy ash snapped trees and collapsed roofs. Days were dark as night. Transformers shorted out with loud explosions. In the heat and darkness, there were no lights, air conditioning, or running water. Earthquakes, rain, and vicious lightning terrified everyone. Mud flows covered Clark's commissary floors with mud and ash. Facilities and warehouses at Subic and San Miguel were damaged or destroyed. Only the Subic store reopened, and it closed the next year, when economics, political change, and the end of the Cold War compelled the closure of all U.S. bases in the Philippines. With a minute of history, I'm Pete Skirbont, DECA historian.